As a part of this lecture, we'll try to understand structure of data sources API. First important thing is, what is the core data structure of reading the data? In Spark, core data structure of reading the data as this. We do have data frame reader, then we have a format, we have options like header, schema and all those things. In the end, we'll have load. If you want to read any of the data sources, this is going to be the core structure. Let me repeat, the core structure being data frame reader, format, options, schema, in the end, load. We understood the core data structure. Foundation for reading data in Spark is data frame reader. The way we can access the data frame reader is by a read attribute. Whenever you are reading the data from any of the sources, we got to have a data frame reader. You can access that through read attribute. For example, we have already read a file and created the data frame. If you remember, we have given the data frame name is equal to spark dot read, then we would have given format, some JSON and some options. In the end, we have given a load also. In order to read the data from any of the sources, we got to have a data frame reader. We are accessing the data frame reader by using a read attribute. After we provide a data frame reader, we got to specify options. Some of the very important options are the format, schema of the data frame, what are the different read modes, which we will be seeing in a couple of minutes, and also other series of options. The series of options may be what would be the header, what would be the separator, can we compress the file or not. What are the different Spark's read modes? We have permissive, we have drop malform, we have fail fast. These are the three Spark read modes. When you create a data frame, by reading the data from a file, we can provide these read modes. If you provide permissive read mode, what it does is it sets all the fields to null when it encounters a corrupted record, and all the corrupted records will be put into corrupt record column. When you specify a drop malformed option, what it will do is it will drop all the rows that contains malformed records. When you specify a fail fast option, then it will fail immediately as and when it encounters the malformed records. Any idea which one may be the default mode here? Can you just think of? It is permissive read mode. If you don't specify any of the read mode, then permissive is going to be the default read mode. That's it. Thank you.